Good morning from Inspired to Sew in Cedar Rapids. We are here today to tell you a very important message. Take it away, Paula.
Kelli Rushing is coming here. Yeah, woo! I'm so excited. We have been waiting years for this exclusive opportunity.
Yes, to take the class OESD Super Spree from her next week, Friday, Saturday, March 8th and 9th. What is going to happen at this event?
Well, Kaylee, you know, I'm an embroidery enthusiast myself,
yes,
so this is one of my favorite events we have here at the store. We will be completing 6 different projects.
Woo!
In 2 days.
Hey, we have, carry on. We have these projects here, so you can see them up and close and in person. We've got this cute little towel holder, and towel, which is going to be appliqued.
Look at that. And look, you will learn how to put a zipper on in your embroidery unit.
Wow, that whole project is going to be made in the hoop.
Yes, no need for sewing, just embroidery. How
cool
is that? And look, this is one of my favorites.
Oh,
look at that.
That is a lovely
towel.
Napkin there. That's beautiful. What else do we have?
We have a luggage tag, of course.
Adorable.
You can always personalize it.
Oh,
put your name
with your
on
name around it.
Put a little keychain.
Or your name of your sewing friend.
Look at that. These
Good
make great
idea.
gifts. Yes. And
thinking this morning.
Look, a wonderful
trivet.
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute. All the quilting was done in there too, and the applique.
So, great way to learn some new techniques, learn all about the different stabilizers, and my favorite part is they always bring samples.
Totally, I was just going to mention that. That's probably one of my favorite pieces too, is they bring samples like this.
Look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
That is beautiful.
Or this hilarious little wine bottle holder.
That is super great.
With a wonderful wacky woman on it. So I love being able to look at all the samples and really decide what kind of things that I want to do next in embroidery.
And there's always something to learn. Yeah. Always.
It's true. So if I wanted to come to this event, or if they wanted to come to this event, what do they need to know? Do they need to bring a machine? Will these designs work on my machine at home?
Yeah, so we will reserve a machine for you. We will have it all set up. If you own an embroidery machine currently, the designs you will get will be multi-formatted. So whichever machine brand you have at home, the designs will work for your machine at home.
Cool.
Also, you'll be getting a goodie bag and the materials. All the supplies, all the material to make the projects will be included with the purchase of this.
What a good deal.
Super Spree. Yeah.
What a good deal.
And it's on sale. So, $149 for 2 whole days
of sewing fun.
All fun things.
Forget also that we provide lunch, which is also delicious.
Also delicious. Yes. And you get to spend time with Kaylee and Paula. At the same time?
Yes, we should say
good morning. We are here to tell you
this morning from
Kaylee and Paula are recording from Inspired to Sew. Are
you
you recording?
Awesome.